It was.
Oh, she's related to me.
Win. All right, so this is what we worked up. This is just a link.
NestCam.
It's supposed to autoplay.
Oh, did you put it in a little?
Yeah, in the Blackboard website. There was a few seconds ago.
I noticed they had a. Okay, so does it get around any of the?
You have to be logged. If you're on the district network, you have to be logged in, so you're filtering applies with YouTube. But outside the district, they're good.
It just plays.
Mm-hmm. So I had it auto playing. I might have to. Where it just start going instead of having it play.
Is it 12 hours and then? Well, that's based on our Wi-Fi, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I mean, it's only going to record up to 12 hours, but it should run consistent. You know, it should run as long as it can. It should keep running.
But our Wi-Fi.
Our Wi-Fi will
Seems
boot
to-
it. Yeah, it'll boot it at
So
2
we'll have
a.m.
to whitelist that and whatever they or
Yes,
we-
I think you should be able to
if
do
we
that.
need to. Well, why don't we'll
Make
talk
sure.
about our findings or whatever at maybe like Tuesday or maybe before that,
But
we'll bring it up at the project meeting and we'll show what we got.
so
I was on the Outdoor Learning Center's website yesterday and they had a link to their old, whatever it was, their old cam that went to a YouTube video, but it was no longer active or in service. So that's how they did it before. They just launched you out to YouTube.
yeah, well, that's what we're doing, or what I'm doing.
Well, with this, you'll just,
Oh, it was at YouTube. This could be a website.
yeah. I was just thinking with this, we can get around any of that. Like if I hit that right now on my phone, is it going to
If you hit this right now on your
ask me if,
phone, you'll have to sign in just because that's where we got it right now. Because this is just like a demo. But yeah, if we had it open to public, it would should just go.
Okay.
Yeah. Right now, you and me can view it, but we have to make sure our credentials are in,
Right.
just so we can look at it.
and we have to be right now, we have to stream from the guest network.
No, I think you could do it outside the district. Let me see. 'Cause I don't get on Wi-Fi. So let me check. Let's see. Link.
Well, just yesterday, I thought we could only stream from the guest. We
That-
couldn't stream from no wires.
We can stream from the guest, and then also this is another wrinkle. Yesterday, I streamed from this computer and that, so maybe it's a problem with this
Oh.
computer. So it was on no wires, and I streamed yesterday. This is what it looks like off the district. Have to sign in.
Right. You're playing away, so you're pissed off.
Yes, I
I'm
am.
pissed.
Yeah. Works.
Cool.
You hear it? It's got audio.
Sweet. And then that's got even though it's embedded, can you hit the full screen on that? Will it show? There you go. Yeah. I think that's a nice solution right there. And then
I mean, if they were already doing it though, with sending it out to YouTube, that quit working? I'm kind of confused about that. I thought they were trying to get this off the ground. I didn't know they already had it.
well, they were saying they had to bring in a laptop from like a personal laptop to do it. Yeah. So if anything, I'll probably just.
They might not know some of this stuff about like persistent links and all that. So we can just show them. I think this.
Didn't he say that we had to send out a link every day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think this might
Which
be.
it took me a minute to figure that out the other day. when you say, I don't think it's persistent link, I'm like, okay, then you gotta embed and then get your channel ID. And
Exactly,
basically you're just using that whole URL and appending your channel ID.
Mhm.
And it just goes right to your channel like
Yep.
that versus that's they're probably just live streaming like I was on my fish tank.
Mhm. Yeah,
And
just
then
the
that-
individual link.
Yeah, then you have to do that.
This is persistent link. It's been this way ever since the first time I set it up. I've been using that same URL.
Yeah.
And it goes to whatever you're live streaming at that moment.
Yeah.
You get rid of the turn off at 2 a.m. and we should be good. And if they want to keep a record of it, they have up to 12 hours
Right.
a pop. So they sign out, stop the stream, restart the stream at the end of the day, then you can save every second of it.
I'm not sure if they want to stay logged in all night.
Well, we make a user form, like Holyfield Bird Cam or something, and then set that up in the Google domain or whatever that takes. And then, you could even restrict the heck out of it if you wanted to, if you're worried about it being online. Because all it really needs to do is you be able to sign into it, exempt it from being logged off at midnight or whenever stuff on the network gets logged off, and it just from YouTube. That's all it does. That probably
Yeah,
would be too hard.
that's exactly the kind of stuff we need to just document and have just some bullet items.
Like the mobile broadcast card has a login, we could do that user and have it set up with
Did they ever make a user for that?
for
Mobile broadcast
yeah.
card?
Every school has a mobile broadcast card login. They've had that for a long time. I had that back when I was a CTA.
Can you log into Google stuff with it? Or just the
I think
computer?
so. James was looking into that. But
James emailed Matt, copied me on it,
yeah, I saw
last
that,
week.
Yeah.
and I don't know if anything's been done with that.
Did you say something, Lan?
You used to log in. I know there was times when we had videos on the Google Drive and we would log in.
Yeah. I think they have some capability. I'm not sure what James was asking about. Oh, there's things.
Still got that live.
I'll call him back in a minute.
Yep.
Oh, and then one more thing, Brian, before you go. It works. The hot dog.
Oh, yeah?
One of the HDMI cables I grabbed was bad.
Ugh.
It doesn't work on Dell, but it works on the cards just fine.
Works on the laptops,
The mobile broadcast cards.
but it doesn't work on them.
Doesn't work on
Not that
Dell.
we
It doesn't
have.
work on our Dell laptops either. So if you were gonna use this, it would be standalone mode only. Just press the button and record.
So when you say it doesn't work on a Dell laptop,
And I call Hotbog about it. It does not work with this. It doesn't work on our Dell laptops. It
So
works on this laptop.
oh, so you're talking about,
Interfacing with the PC, using it as kind of like a capture card, like the PCI card you used to have.
gotcha.
Using it like that doesn't.
So where does it plugs into the back of is it the Black Magic or whatever is that what has the inputs in?
Yeah,
So you're just stripping the feed right from,
right before it goes in the encoder to go out on the network. We're stripping it off, sending
Okay.
one to the encoder, sending the other to the capture device. And if you want to record, you press the green button, and you get a MP4 file.
okay.
And like I said, I thought it wouldn't work in at all on the broadcast card, but it was just the bad HDMI cable. And then I called Hotpog to say, hey, this doesn't work on this. I've updated the video drivers. What gives you guys?
Wonder why that, you just need more.
No, I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna, hopefully I can talk to someone confident. So greedy. It's just when you call those people, they're like, have you tried unplugging it and plugging it in? That's Abbott Meadows.
That's capturing it.
Yeah, it's good quality.
Yeah.
That shimmer that's from the green screen effect.
Speaking of green screen, I'm gonna go out. I sent you a calendar invite for Monday.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be out on Monday.
I'm gonna go talk with Denise Low-Miller about their needs and wants, if they have any. Kind of following up on that conversation we had about a month and a half ago at